Okay, gonna do a quick review on Sablet's Coburn Farms French onion dip. It's a product you can buy at Sablet. It's in the dairy department. Back in the dairy department. One we got nearby the house has it over with milk and stuff in a case over by the milk. Can't remember. I think it might be $2.99. Well, I can't say for sure. It's a 1 pound, a 16 ounce size bucket, or 1 pound. It's made with real salt green. You get 15 servings per container. 60 calories. Serving size is 2 tablespoons. 5 total fats. 3.5 saturated fats. 20 cholesterol. 230 sodium. 2 total carbohydrates. 1 total sugar. And 1 protein. You get 4% of your calcium and 1% of your potassium. Sablet is, if you're not familiar with their store, I've been shopping there at least 10 years or more. But if you're not, oops, sorry about that. If you're not familiar with their store, they have 100% guaranteed on all the products. If you're not happy with it for some reason, just take it back with the receipt and they'll give you your money back. Personally, I've never had to take anything back to the store and get a refund on it. This is pretty good little, and it's pretty good little French onion dip if you want to dip your vegetables and pretzels, different things down into it. Yeah, pretty good little taste to it. I use it a lot with I like eating raw celery and carrots and pretzels with it. Gives them pretty good little taste. But the baby carrots, not the great big regular sized carrots. I'll buy a little bag of baby carrots every now and then. What are you getting into? Sonny, no. No, go lay down. Go. Go. Sorry about that. Dogs are getting into the garbage. It's, like I said, it's got pretty good taste to it. It's a lot cheaper than what you're going to pay for with Kraft and everything. Name brands. And this is a Save-A-Lot brand instead. It's a lot cheaper. This is a Save-A-Lot Coburn Farms French onion dip. You can find it in their department or your nearest Save-A-Lot, wherever you live or work at.